In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Google Slides. Google Slides doesn't include a built-in blur tool, but there's a quick workaround that looks polished and takes just a few minutes. We'll first blur your image in Canva, then bring that blurred image into Google Slides as the background. This method helps your text and key visuals pop without distracting details behind them. Start by opening Canva in your browser. On the home page, click Create and choose Upload. This tells Canva that you want to work with an image you already have rather than starting from a template. Next, click Upload Files and pick the image you want to use as your slide background. High-resolution images work best here because they'll stay crisp even after you apply a blur. Once your image finishes uploading, click the image to open it for editing. On the editing screen, find and click Edit Image. In the effects panel that appears, select Blur. Choose Whole Image so the blur applies evenly across the entire picture rather than just a part of it. Now use the blur intensity slider to dial in the exact amount you want. Aim for a level that softens busy details but still keeps the overall shapes recognizable. This balance makes your text easier to read while preserving a professional look. When you're happy with the blur, it's time to download. Click Share or Download, then save the blurred image to your computer. If you see options for file type or size, choose a standard format like PNG or JPG and keep the dimensions large enough to cover a slide cleanly. Now switch to your Google Slides presentation and open the slide where you want the blurred background. Click Background in the top toolbar. In the panel that opens, click Choose Image, then upload the blurred image you just saved from Canva. After the upload completes, click Done. Your slide will now display the blurred image as the full background. Take a moment to review your slide content over the new background. If your text still competes with the image, go back to Canva and increase the blur slightly, then re-upload. If it feels too washed out, reduce the blur intensity a bit. Matching your image's aspect ratio to the slide's layout can also help avoid stretching. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.